going on a forest walk. But I'm not afraid. Got my running shoes and my camera by my side. I see a mouse hole underneath that tree. Stay still. A mouse. May we take your picture, please? I hear hoot hooting way up in the tree. Listen. An owl. May we take your picture, please? I see a web glistening in the sun. Over there, a spider. May we take your picture, please? I see a bird flying in the sky. Look up. An eagle. May we take your picture, please? I see something slithering along the forest floor. Stay back. A snake. May we take your picture, please? I see a cave. Who lives in there? Careful. It's a bear. Use those running shoes. Run, run, run. Whew, we're safe. That was fun.